NGCOA is the trade association that represents the interests of owners and operators. And we do three things primarily. One is education, to make sure owners and operators have the information and knowledge necessary to run successful facilities. Two is advocacy work, which is defined as lobbying, public policy influence, and other things impacting the marketplace of golf in the United States. We look after the interests of course owners and operators. And three is commerce, anything we can do to stimulate more rounds and revenue through programs and services and collaboration with other associations in golf. The biggest issue facing golf in the United States, I believe, is the new supply and demand realities we have. Courses are having to compete in ways they never had to before. And so that supply and demand reality is trickling down to the operations level in many, many ways. And we'll explore hopefully many of those at the upcoming conference. Golf courses that are targeting daily fee golfers in the United States, well, the successful ones, I would say, have a solid product. So the turf and the course itself is going to be maintained well. Nobody's looking for perfection, but something that is good. And as well as great hospitality. You know, we are in the hospitality business, so taking good care of the customer is really important to the daily fee golfer. But I would say the most successful ones are mastering customer relationship management, meaning they know who I am, they know what I like, and they're communicating with me after I leave the golf course in ways that brings me back. Course owners and operators today are really having to master the art of dynamic pricing and yield management. So we're seeing that skill development, meaning understanding what customers will pay for golf, when they'll pay for it, how can I manage my pricing in ways that doesn't alienate the customers and brings me the best bottom line possible. Also, I would say customer relationship management, understanding how to use a database effectively. So those two skills, I think, are the ones that are being developed most among the successful facilities. I have a lot of great memories in golf. Growing up, since I've been playing golf since I was 8 years old, and so. But I would say the most memorable one would be stepping foot onto Pebble Beach for the first time and playing around there. It's like walking on hallowed ground. The scenery on the seaside, the unbelievable piece of land, the caddies, the whole experience was amazing for me. It's no wonder why it's on the bucket list of many people.